Hi guys, we are continuing our discussion and we'll be talking about some methods on dictionary objects. So dictionary, as we know, is a collection of key value pairs, and some of these methods on dictionary objects are very useful in your day-to-day tasks. And yeah, so having a look at these methods, first of all is update. Update means to add a bunch of key value pairs that we are defining within tuples of keys and values pairs which are separated by commas, and that is all aggregated within a square brackets. So this is to add multiple key value pairs to the dictionary. We can also update a dictionary with another dictionary to add key value pairs from another dictionary to the dict. We can pop a key, we can remove a key and return its value from the dict. So what pop will do is that it will return the value associated with that particular key as well, and it will remove that key from the dictionary as well. If it doesn't find, it'll throw an error, right? And we'll see error and handling exceptions. Then comes pop. So if we provide a particular key within pop and we can return its value from the dict, and in case that key is not found, then we can return a default value. So we can make it error proof or exception proof by providing a default value that is returned nonetheless. Then most common methods used dot get, or we can also simply reference it with a square brackets, or which is called superscript notation. We can get the value associated with that particular key if it is found, and it returns none if the key is not found in the dictionary. Again, we can provide a default value as well, that in case that key is not found in the dictionary, we can make it error proof and we can return that default value if the key is not found. Dot keys will return simply a list of the entire list of keys which are present in the dictionary, and dot values will return the list of entire values which are present in the dictionary. On the other hand, dot items, which is very commonly used on dictionary, will return a list of key value pairs which are obviously in the form of tuples. See, these are tuples. Tuples are the ones which are present within these normal parentheses present in the dictionary, right? Again, we'll use all of this with a sample example. So my dictionary is defined with a couple of key value pairs. We saw this in earlier videos. If you don't have an idea how to define a dictionary, check out the earlier container list videos as well. So this is the key and it has a value of integer 1. B has a value of 2. If I update with a couple of key value pairs which are provided within these square brackets, then all of these key value pairs get appended to the dictionary. Guys, this is how you denote a dictionary or you define a dictionary within within curly braces. We can also update the dictionary to add all the keys and values from another dict, right? So we can see that A till F are present along with their order which they are present in the alphabet, right? And we will always have a very meaningful relationship between the key and value. It can either be indexes within which they are present in a container, or it can be common fields corresponding to, let's say, an order ID, order tracking number, or what all elements have been ordered, right? And pop within pop we have to specify a particular key. So I have specified this element B, and what I get in the value is the value that is corresponding to B, right? And as you can see in the result dictionary, this B and two key value pair have been removed, right? Now, if I try to pop with an element that is here, what is this? This is the key. If this element is not present in the dictionary, I just want to return not found rather than encountering an error and interrupting my execution of my script. I would rather just prefer to return not found. And that is what I get. If I try to get the value of a particular key, I can do that as well. If I get the value of C, I get 3. If I get the value of Z, I get none because this key is not present in the dictionary. Again, if I want to return a default value, I can specify that try to get the value of Z if it's present, and if not, just return the value 0. Right? And if I return the list of keys, then I get the entire list of keys which are present in the dictionary after performing our operations. If I try to get the values, I get the corresponding values. And usually, what we'll do is that we'll specify the items of a dictionary within a for loop. So we you'll typically encounter this line for item in mydict.items, right? And this is what mydict.items will return, all of the tuples containing key value pairs with key and value, right? And as you can see, these are all the results. So try to play around with dictionaries, defining different key value pairs, defining you know different performing different set of operations, and get a hands on as to you have a clarity of how these methods are working, right guys? So I'll see you in the next video.